Welcome to FreeWebToolkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page for free. This is the end result that we will be creating in this video, so make sure to watch till the end to get your own professional landing page. If you are new to this channel, here we talk about digital marketing, online business, and free tools. So if you are interested in these subjects, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications to never miss any of our videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page and start building your email list completely for free. Email marketing is a high rewarding strategy with high return of investment rates. I have made a video about digital marketing and the different strategies that you can use to promote your business. The link should pop up right now. Anyway, as I said, I will show you step by step how to build a real business even if you don't have any money to get started, okay? So we will create a simple opt-in funnel to collect emails. I'm going to choose the affiliate marketing niche for this tutorial, but the process is the same for any niche. We're going to use Convertkit, which is a very powerful email marketing system, and it has a free plan that will let you manage up to 1000 subscribers with unlimited opt-in forms and landing pages, which is perfect. You can get started for free. You'll find the link in the description. So go to the link and navigate to features and then landing pages and click on get started. That will prompt you to log into your account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, go to grow and then landing pages and forms and click on create new and then choose landing page. Here you can choose your template. In my case, I want to use an ebook as my lead magnet. So I will choose ebook in the filter by category and I will select this template. People are more likely to enter their emails if you provide something in return. That's why I've decided to use an ebook as my lead magnet. Just to be clear, your lead magnet can be anything, a PDF file, an Excel sheet, a video, etc. Okay, now you might be asking, where to get a free ebook to use? Don't worry, I will show you two places where to get it for free. The first one is the affiliate resources of your offer in ClickBank or any other marketplace, for example. The second one is this website, freeplrdownloads.com, where you can download free ebooks to use. I put the link on the description if you want to check it out. I've already downloaded my free ebook on affiliate marketing. So now let's go back and customize our landing page. Customizing the landing page is very simple. Just select the block and you can edit the options on the right sidebar. So the first thing I want to change is this image right here. So I'm going to click on it and then click on replace now. You can either upload an image from your device or use an Unsplash to get access to a lot of royalty-free images. In this example, I'm going to use the cover of the ebook I have downloaded. Now I want to edit the headline, so in your headline, make sure to write something that will capture people's attention and make them want to enter their email for that free ebook. I have already prepared all the content of my landing page, so I will open this file and just copy paste to the landing page. For the headline, I think I will keep it as it is. Under the headline, I will put the following. To get access to the free ebook, simply enter your email and click on download now. The next thing I want to do is to remove the first name field. You don't want to overwhelm people with too many fields. Just click on the field and then click on delete field. For the button, you can customize it as well, but I think I will keep it as it is. Moving to the testimonial part, I will edit the text and put something to encourage people to enter their emails. The next block is what you get blocked. If you want to edit the title, just select the text and write your own. Okay? In this section, we want to give people an idea of what to expect. For my example, I came up with something like this: a step-by-step guide on how to launch your affiliate marketing business, ranging from finding your niche, your products, to marketing and generating sales. Now let's customize the last part, in which I will write something about affiliate marketing. The first thing I want to do is to change the title to the following, and then paste this. With that, our landing page is officially completed. The next thing we want to do is to create a thank you page. It is very simple. Just click on that page and a thank you page will be created. This is the page that we want our subscribers to get redirected to. At this point, we want to inform them to check the inbox to get the ebook. Now we need to customize the email that we will be sending to our subscribers. Simply click on Settings. A pop-up will be shown with multiple tabs. On the first one, we will set where the subscriber will be redirected. By default, Convertkit will display a success message, but we don't want that. We want our subscriber to be redirected to the thank you page we created earlier. You can also set a custom domain to access your landing page. For that, you need to set up your custom domain in your account settings. For this tutorial, we will let Convertkit host our landing page, so leave it as it is. Moving to the incentive tab. Here you can choose to send the incentive email. It is very important to keep this option checked to filter fake emails. It's basically sending an email to the subscriber in which he has to click on a confirmation button in order to be added to your email list. Now let's edit the email contents. By default, Convertkit has a default template which we are going to customize. So the first thing I want to do is to change the subject of the email. Then we want to customize the email text. The purpose of this email is to tell your subscribers what they can expect from you, what sort of content you're going to be sending them, and how often you're going to be emailing them. I will just copy and paste the text I have already written. Okay, now let's customize our button. This button will play two roles. One is to confirm the subscription, and the second is to download the ebook. Once you're done, click on Save. You don't want to auto-confirm subscribers, so keep that option unchecked. Now let's customize where the subscriber will be redirected after confirming the subscription. This is the place where you're going to upload the ebook. By default, Convertkit will redirect to a default confirmation page. So to override this, choose Download and upload your ebook. So that's pretty it. We finished setting up our landing page. Now we can publish it. Simply hit the publish button to get the link to your live page and you can start promoting it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I shared with you step by step how to create a landing page and build your email list for free. The next step now is to get traffic to your landing page. That's what I'm going to show you in an upcoming video where I will share with you the best free traffic sources to promote your websites. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified whenever I post that video. Also, don't forget to check our free online tools websites. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.